What's up, party people? I will try to make this as fast and clear as possible. Okay, so I can't edit, so this might, if it gets rambly or there's a lot of uhs and ums, I'm sorry, Kate. I don't have my editor installed yet. But the bottom line, I bought this Ideapad, Lenovo Ideapad 330 laptop. It's pretty cheap, but the specs were good. That's what I look for in a laptop or any device. It should pay as little as possible for good specs. And I brought it home. Notice, man, this thing's taking a long time to boot up, and I was like, "What's going on here? This isn't good." Because my last laptop took like 10 seconds. So I booted it up, logged in, and it was chugging like crazy. It was chugging like a freight train, baby. So I gave it about a week. I was like, "Is this thing just gonna is it gonna work out the kinks itself?" And it just kept chugging. Anytime I tried to do more than like 5 processes at once, or like real stuff, like browsing, videos, chatting, things like that, it would damn near freeze up. Sometimes it would literally freeze up and the screen would turn white and it would just crash. It would say Windows not responding. You have to control alt delete and log out. So I decided, man, I can't do this anymore. I'm gonna do some research, and I had to do a lot of research. It wasn't easy to find, and I'm doing this video just hoping that if anybody has this laptop and they're having trouble, they can find this and get help too. Because I wish this help was easier to find when I was looking for it. Like, technical help has never been easy to find online for me, but I had to do a lot of trial and error. But the thing that worked, I bought a 2.5-inch SSD solid state drive, a new hard drive basically, the cheapest one I could find. And brand is irrelevant, just as long as the specs are right, and you can use it. It's compatible with your laptop. And I popped it in. It works, man. My laptop is working like a damn a laptop that costs 2-3 times as much. I know I'm just scrolling right now. I don't know what else you want me to show you. I don't have anything installed yet, but yeah, it's running really fast. That's the bottom line. It's lightning fast. No more chugging. I can watch my videos. Like, just opening up VLC would take. I would show you that, but I have it. The OBS trained to my browser. I can't show like any other windows. But opening up VLC, which is the media player I use, it would take like sometimes up to 20 seconds to open up, and it would like open up like a split file, like the output, and just like a blank window, which wasn't usable, and you have to use Control Alt Delete to close it. So I was like, I can't do this anymore. I can't watch a video. So I bought the new hard drive. I've tested it, opened up videos, they open up in less than a second. Everything takes less than a second. I click my window, it's there. It's like I felt like I had like traveled back to 1998 for a second with how slow things were. It was just my hard drive. So yeah, buy you a hard drive. Once again, 2.5-inch solid state drive, and make sure it's compatible. All right, guys, that's it. But I had to install a new install of Windows, of course, new clean install. I could have cloned over all my files and my data, but I was like, I just want I want a fresh start. As I mentioned it before, I don't really do anything that serious, that useful on my devices, because I know that how unprivate things really are, even if you have encrypted devices. But so I decided I'm just gonna have a fresh start. Just go completely new, get all the Windows installation files, and just in case anything's corrupt too, that could slow your computer down. Here's how you do that. Let's give you a little bonus helper. All right, so you just type in on Google, I can't remember exactly what I wrote. Create Windows 11 installation media. Then you open up that, you click your tab, either Windows 11 or 10. Go to download Windows 11 site, and that'll pop up. You don't click download now, installation assistant. You go to create Windows 11 installation media. Download that, and the media will be installed onto your flash drive, which you need. I use a 32 gig flash drive. Just have that in. It'll ask you where you want to install it, and drop the files on there, and turn your laptop off. Take your hard drive out. Put the new hard drive in. You pop your flash drive in with those in Windows files. Turn it on. It'll ask you what you want to do. You want to clean install, or what you want to do. It's that easy, people. Love you. See ya. God bless. And I'm just going to watch this fast again. Now I can stop being so self-conscious when I record. Like, people are think I'm using like a fucking, like, I don't know, Windows 8 laptop. But I'm not. I just needed a new hard drive. See ya.